Hi guys, this is Bella from Bella Natural Care. Today I'm going to show you how I make grapefruit juice with apple and carrot. For my husband over there who doesn't drink water and he likes grapefruit. So here I have 2 carrots, 1 apple, and I'm going to use 3 grapefruit and water over here. This is 900 ml of water. You may use a liter or however less you think you want, and that all depends how strong or how not strong you want your juice to be. So our juice is done. As you can see, it looks very pretty. And since when I was cutting up the grapefruit, I forgot to leave some for the glass. I'm just gonna use the the orange, and make it look that pretty. Put on a few cubes of ice. And there we have it. Pretty much easy. What I ended up doing is it was a little bit thick, so I added in a lot more water than 400 ml. I think a little bit over 500. But so what you need to do is just see how thick it is and then add a little bit more water. What I should have done is separate them and do it in half instead of filling up to the brim. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified on the next time I post a video. Bye, guys.